Wow. I have to give these guys props. Magic Cup. If you guys are ever in Dallas, go to Magic Cup. As for fruit tea madness, along with boba, you will not regret it. Make sure you chew before you get the camera rolling. Anyway, welcome to another episode of This vs. That. Today, I want to talk about the a7III. This is not mine. I got this from my sister. Actually, she doesn't know that I have it. So I needed to make this quick video to see if I can tell you guys about it. I've been playing with this over the weekend and I absolutely love it. Of course, I would love it, right? I mean, this baby is a full frame beast and it costs $2,000, which at first I thought it was pretty expensive, but come to find out, all full frame are a lot more than that. Go figure. I really love this thing. I took it out for a spin, went to the circus with it, so I got a chance to use it quite a bit. The lens that you see on here is a 16 to 35 millimeter, and I want to touch some point on some of the people that are looking to upgrade to this particular camera. Now, if you have the a6000, 6300, or 6500 like I have here, and you're looking to upgrade to the A7, some of these things are things that you may or may not have seen or found online as you're doing your research. So I want to make this quick video to talk about if you're looking to upgrade, what to look for, maybe answer some of your questions that you are having in your mind, because I had in my mind as I was out there looking. So let's get right into it. So you probably accumulate a few lenses if you have the a6000 or 6500. And one of the questions I had was, will it work on this body while I'm waiting to, you know, get some more money to afford a full frame lens? The answer is yes, it will work. The camera is smart enough to change to APS-C mode, so it will act like this is an APS-C camera. The mount will work. Everything will work. I have the Sigma 16 millimeter right there, great lens, and use it on here, and it works just like on the a6500. So yes, all your lens will work, including the kit lens. I even try that, which is kind of ridiculous on this big old body. I have to show you guys. Second, batteries. Will the battery work? I'm sure if you use the a6000, a6500, you probably have a handful of batteries. I have like a bag full of batteries for it. The battery will not work. This uses a special type of batteries. It's bigger and it lasts a lot longer. Actually, one of the reasons why you should be upgrading is because of the battery life. I was able to take it to the circus, shoot the entire day on one battery. Can you imagine that? That's amazing. Used to, I would have to change about 5 or 6 batteries on my camera. So yeah, that's number 2. What is number 3? Number 3, your memory card. Will that work? Yes. That 4K memory card that you have in your a6500, that will work. This camera actually takes an even newer memory card that is like 300 megabyte read and write. So you can upgrade to that when you have the money. Costs like $200 for 128 gig. So yes, your old memory, you can take that out and pop it on this camera and it'll work. Will it make you look like Sam Coder? Probably not. You need the abs. Will your relative ask you to come over to take Christmas pictures? Chances are, yes. If they see you carrying around this big camera, they're gonna say, put that thing to use. So you will be spending a lot of Christmas with them. And the last thing, this is what I actually was looking for, was how will my gimbal works. Yeah, you guys have probably seen some of my pictures or videos. I use the Zhiyun Crane Plus. It can hold the a6500 just fine with the Sigma 16mm. The weight is pretty good. Will it hold this heavier camera with this heavier lens? And I can safely say that yes, it will hold the 16mm to 35 f4, I think. Yes, f4. Along with this camera, this is pretty heavy. It will hold this weight. So if you have the Crane Plus, it will hold it. If you want to get a bigger lens, you may have to upgrade to the Crane 2. So depending on your need, but that's what I was looking for when I was seeing if I can upgrade this. Guys, there's so much sugar in here. I just love it. You'll like this. Woo. So anyway, those are the questions that I have when I was looking to upgrade my a6500 to the a7 III. I hope those questions are the same one that you have too, and I hope it helps you. If you have any more questions, leave it down below in the comment section. We'll try to answer as much as possible. I'll be using this camera for a little bit more. Hopefully my sister doesn't realize that it's gone. But yeah, we're doing some more tests on this, and we'll show you guys. Until next time, see ya.